Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Chevy Cruze LT, and those LEDs don't flicker the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of my camera that's giving us that. This one does obviously have the Ecotech engine. It's running good, so I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. Okay, go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. There we go. These are dark gray fabric seats. Shot of the VIN right there. Okay, we'll see that it has 34,891 miles on this vehicle. Here's your cruise control, your push to talk, your stereo, and trip computer toggles. And then on the back side here are your stereo controls. Here's your comfort controls. Right here, you can see that it has, when we open up the sources, AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary. There's additional power supplies down in here, and also your auxiliary and USB ports. Your cup holders, shifter, additional stowage right there, glove compartment, and up here you'll have your map reading lights. That about wraps it up for the Chevy on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It was in an accident. There's a little bit of roof damage. A little bit of damage here on the passenger side and then also on the back. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed 150-point inspection in the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.